How do women view you? Women view you as someone that can be quite close minded in a sense whereby you don't allow enough flexibility in your way of thinking. So, for instance, you may have mentioned something to someone, a female, right? And they may have given you solutions, and you may have said, oh, this is my lot, that's it for me, type of thing, whereby you don't really think of ways that you can, think outside of the box or a better outcome. So some women view you as somebody that is quite closed off, quite rigid in your way of thinking. They feel as if you don't branch out, you don't give yourself enough credit sometimes. Um, and this makes women feel as if you are selling yourself short in some cases. Some women view you as someone that is very hardworking, very ambitious. If you are a feminine listening to this, women view you as someone that is a great asset to the company or the role that you do. And if you have like a female boss, they are intimidated by you and they feel as if you may take their job. And some women view you as eventually leaving the role that you're doing now, the job that you're doing, and perhaps working for yourself, even if they are intimidated by you, if they are your boss. Side note. If you're a masculine listening to this, women view you as someone that is a hard worker. They view you as someone that they would like to invest in. They would like to perhaps have a relationship with you. They see you as a good investment. You know, they see you as someone that has the attributes and qualities that they look for in a partner. I also feel like if you are a masculine listening to this, some women view you as someone that they would like to take care of. Even if you are making your own money, even if you've got an amazing career, women want to take care of you, is what I'm picking up. Some women view you as taken already. Women view you as someone that's in a relationship. I'm also picking up with the Lovers card in reverse that some women view you as trustworthy. So, for instance, if you are a feminine listening to this, women may at first view you as someone that they fear could take away their partner. But once they get to know you, they then realize that their actual fear is not with you, it's actually with their partner. And that may come over time, that way of thinking. But at first, some women may instantly, I'm hearing the word dislike, may choose to actually dislike you, but then they become in war with themselves and they realize that it's not actually you that they dislike, it's actually the fear of their partner wanting to be with you. They may have seen a partner that they're with look at you, or there's something triggering about your energy. And I feel like it's because you have this very potent and seductive energy and aura that draws even other women to you. And even if they are not, you know, attracted to the same gender, they cannot miss the fact that you are extremely attractive. You have a lot of depth. And once they get to know you, they feel like they misjudged you. But then they realize that you are a person that carries a lot of heavy weight, and not in a detrimental way, but you carry a lot of energy. And I feel like it's sensual energy. It's very seductive, but it's healing energy. It's nurturing energy. And sometimes when you have that healing and nurturing energy, you are very attractive. And they then begin to understand that you're not using this energy for the bad. And then they begin to understand that just because you have this energy doesn't mean you're going to take away their partner. So at first, some women can, feel untrustworthy around you or feel like you are untrustworthy. But then they realize that you're not that way inclined. And some of them realize that, hold on, my partner doesn't look at them in that way. It's just my way of thinking. You know, I feel for some of you that if you are a masculine listening to this, women do view you as someone that is safe to love. They view you as, and this could be if you're in a relationship, women view you as someone that they can trust. You know, they don't need to keep checking up on you. If you say you're going to be somewhere, you are in that place, town, or city. They view you as someone that only has eyes for them. You make them feel secure. And I'm not saying that you have to be with someone to make you feel secure. You should make yourself feel secure, but you don't trigger their nervous system. You know, they feel as if it's safe to love someone like you. You know, they feel as if you're very trustworthy. They understand that you will not do anything to jeopardize the connection that you both have. Because I feel that women view you, if you're a masculine listening to this, as someone that has a lot of depth, someone that loves deeply. You know, women view you as someone that is their soulmate for some of you. Or they feel like if they were to date someone like you, they will get lost in you. Or if they are a friend, they feel as if, or they see that other women get obsessed with you because of the energy that you radiate, the energy that you exude, you know. And if it is in a romantic sense, women view you as someone that they can fall deeply in love with. So some women may actually resist you because they find you very irresistible, but they feel as if it's a danger to be with someone like you because they will get lost in you. Women view you as someone that's very secretive, you know, but they find you to be very spiritual. They find you to be very healing. You've got a very healing energy. They feel like they can tell you their secrets and you will not share their secrets to a soul. I feel as if women view you as someone that is a great listener. You have this very motherly and nurturing quality to you, even if you are a masculine listening to this. If you are a masculine listening to this, women find you to be extremely seductive, and you may find that women may want to procreate with you, even if you're feminine listening to this. Men, what am I saying men for? Women, other women see you as very sensual. So if they see other men liking you, they understand, you know, because they too find you to be very fertile, and you know, there's something very energizing but very, you know, it's very watery. You've got watery energy, very healing energy. And I feel like you could be someone that is studying psychology, but women view you as someone that will make a great counselor, masculine or feminine. Women view you as, I'm hearing couple goals, like you are the standard. Even if you are a person that is in an established job, they feel like they would want to invest in you. Okay, take care of you financially. If you're a masculine listening to this, if you are a female listening to this, women view you as someone, if it is same gender connection, as someone that is their match, you know, someone that they can actually build an empire with. Women view you as someone that is very powerful. They view you as someone that has a great physique, a great body, someone that is a great leader, someone that walks alone and walks alone for a reason. I got that from Beyonce. Women view you as someone that a lot of people compete over. You know, they also view you as a great friend, even if they are in a relationship with you. But some women don't want to be your friend. You know, especially if you are a masculine listening to this. Women view you as someone that they would want to date. They want to come out of that friend zone. Women view you as someone that they fixate on, or that a lot of people fixate on, because you are very striking to look at. Women view you as someone that downplays your shine, like you don't know how amazing you are. They view you as someone that should be on screen. You know, women view you as someone that they can't quite work out if you're dating or not. They may view you as someone that doesn't want to date. They may view you as someone that prefers to just be a bachelor or a bachelorette.